So I had this wood heart cutout that I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. And I found these jumbo stickers, they're meant for the wall, at Dollar Tree. So I started by taking some tacky glue that you could find at Dollar Tree once in a while, Walmart or Hobby Lobby, and I just applied it to the top of my wooden heart. Once I had that covered, part of my stickers had a large heart, so I took the two halves and put them together on top of my wooden heart, and I pressed it down to make sure it was adhered to the wood. Taking a razor blade, I just turned over the heart and removed the extra sticker that was hanging over the edge. And once that's finished, I'm going to just put that aside. I then found this vintage doorknob panel that I had laying around, and I started by painting it with dried thyme from Wise Owl Paint. And I'm going to set that aside to dry. I found this 12 by 12 square wood panel from Walmart for about $5.94. You can also grab them from Hobby Lobby. And I painted that using the dried thyme as well. You could definitely paint this wood panel another color, and I'm just curious what color you would choose. Now, once that was fully covered and dry, I took my heart and the vintage door panel and I glued it to the center of the heart. I did use hot glue and I went back with some E6000 for stronger hold. I then flipped it over and using some wood glue and some hot glue, I attached it to my wood panel. I found these hangers from Walmart. They come 2 in a pack. And I added 3 hangers to the bottom of the wood panel. All I needed here was a screwdriver, and the hangers come with the correct screws. And there you go. Now you just have a cute wall decor that you can hang your keys from by your front door. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found over on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com and tutorials on our YouTube. Have a great day.